friends, welcome to Motivational and Educational channel. Today we are learning next topic. Exercise. Disaster Management. Chapter 4. Class 6. General Science. Question 1. What are the emergency contact numbers of the following? A. Police Control Room. Answer 100. B. Fire Brigade. Answer 101. C. Ambulance. Answer 102. D. National level single emergency number for disaster relief. Answer 108. Question 2. What first aid will you provide in the following situations? A. Dog bite. Answer. The wound should be washed with soap, clean water and rinsed with solution of potassium permanganate. Victim should be taken to doctor for dressing and for injection of anti-rabies. B. Scratches, bleeding. Answer. The bleeding part should be clean and it should be kept above the level of the heart. Antiseptic cream should be applied on wound. Rush to the doctor to get proper medical care. C. Burns, scars. Answer. In minor burns, immerse the burn part in cold water. Clean the wound with germ-free water and antiseptic solution. If there are serious burns, rush to the doctor for medical treatment immediately. D. Snake bite. Answer. Tie a cloth near the wound so the venom of bite should not reach the vital organs. Victim should be given emotional support and taken to the doctor as early as possible for the anti-venom injection. E. Sunstroke. Answer. Take the patient in a shade or in cool place. Plenty of water or sherbet should be given to avoid dehydration. Question 3. Write the causes of the following. A. Floods. Answer. Due to excessive rain in cities, water drainage system falls short. The gutters or drainage lines are choked. This results in overflow of water on the roads and surrounding areas. B. Forest fires. Answer. If there is excessive heat and the branches of trees rub against each other, causing friction, then naturally it can lead to forest fires. C. Landslides, building collapse. Answer. The vibrations in the earth crust result in an earthquake. The vibrations can cause collapse of buildings. Due to excessive rains or cloud bursting, landslides can take place. Earthquakes. Answer. Energy in the earth interior results in seismic waves, causes movement of the earth's surface in the form of tremors, shaking and cracking. All these movements results in an earthquake. Question 4. Answer the following questions. A. What is meant by disasters? Answer. A sudden event causing large-scale damage to life, property and social aspects of our society is called a disaster. B. What are the types of disasters? Answer. Disasters are of two kinds, such as natural disasters and man-made disasters. C. What is meant by disaster management? Answer. Taking proper steps to prevent disasters and making plans to face the disasters and developing the capacity of tackling such situations is called disaster management. D. Which are the main components of disaster management? Answer. Planning and executing the plans in case of disasters are the main components of disaster management. Question 5. Find out about work of a Sarpamitra. Answer. Sarpamitra are volunteers who help to save the snakes, rescue, relocate and release the snake back into their natural habitats. They create awareness about the snakes and to remove the myths associated with snakes. Question 6. Find out what a first aid kit box contains. Answer. First aid box contains roller and adhesive bandages, tape, antiseptic wipes, antibiotic cream, burn ointment, chemical cold pack, scissors, disposable gloves, antiseptic wash and other materials. Question 7. Suggest remedial measures for dealing with natural or man-made disasters. Disaster remedy. Fire. In jungle area, never leave a burning matchstick. Call fire brigade. Fire extinguisher can be used. Building collapse. Fire brigade should be called. Save people who trapped under the debris. Injured people should be taken to hospital. Road accident. Victim should be immediately taken to hospital. Inform police. Instead of crowding, people should help the victim. Flood. People and animals should be shifted to safe place. One should listen the forecast of meteorological department. Rescue the people in low-lying area. War. Don't spread rumors and don't believe on that. Follow the orders of military force. Bomb explosion. We should not touch any unattended article in public places. Immediately inform the police and ATS. We should help the injured people. Earthquake. Warning of earthquake are given in advance, so we have to be ready for such disaster before. Due to that, damage to life and property can be reduced. Deluge. We should be away from river banks and low-lying area. People should be shifted before the calamity strike. Storm. One should remain in safe places. Large trees are uprooted, so avoid to take shelter under such trees. Electric supply should be disrupted, so we should think of alternative arrangement. Tsunami. It causes damage to coastal area and on islands. Avoid such places and one should go to a safer places. Drought. The drought-prone people and cattle are brought to the camps and are taken care of. Basic necessities are provided from other area. Landslide. It causes due to excessive rains or cloud burst. In such situations, stay away from regions which may have threat of landslides.